Hi, this is Ralph Wilson with Web Marketing Today. I'm at Search Engine Strategies in London with Jim Sterne. Jim, you're the founder of the WAA. What is the WAA? And tell us a little bit about it. It's an important organization in internet marketing.
It's the Web Analytics Association. It was born out of the conference that I've been putting on for the last 6 years, the eMetrics Marketing Optimization Summit, which was about web analytics in the beginning, and one of the roundtable discussions bubbled up, gee, we need an association. So the WAA, the Web Analytics Association, was officially born in 2005. Currently have 1,500 members,
Wow.
about 35 corporate members, and the goals are education and support, community, standards, and advocacy. We don't want web analytics to be legislated away, but.
So it's a trade organization.
It is an industry organization, and
Okay.
here's the fine point. Trade association is the vendors. Industry association is the vendors and the consultants and the practitioners.
Okay.
So the people in the companies actually doing the work, they're our members as well.
Now, if I'm a small to medium business, why should I care if there is a WAA?
Well, I'll go back to the first one, education.
Okay.
This is where you can come and find out what is this stuff, how do I make it work, how do I make it work for me? And we've even got online classes now through the University of British Columbia.
I was excited to see that because they're online classes.
Yeah.
You could take any place in the world,
Yeah.
and if someone in your company could get accredited by that organization, also move on to some other things that following that.
Yeah.
So you're really, I think, it's a wonderful thing to set up standardized training that will really train a whole generation of analysts in-house.
And this is the first college level, in fact, the only college level course anywhere on web analytics, and it sells out all the time because there's only 25 people per class with a tutor. So it's not just here's some content, read it, and answer some questions. It's a formal study. And then once you've got that under your belt, then you can go get the training from the tool vendors. So this is, what is the subject matter? How do you approach it? And then you get trained on, okay, how do I use a specific tool to make it happen?
Now, if I'm a small to medium business person and I need to find a consultant, is there some way you can help me do that?
Yes. The quickest way is to go to a tool vendor's website like Google Analytics, which is a free tool, and click on the partner button. And there are their Google Analytics authorized consultants who are all there to help you make sense out of all the numbers.
Are they going to be WAA members likely?
They are.
Yeah. I think one of the, someone who is a WAA member is going to give me an increased degree of confidence that there's someone that cares about their industry and works at staying up in it and helping others learn about it.
And it is a small enough community that one of the real major benefits is you can immediately reach out to the community and say, I've got this situation with my company, or I've got this situation with my client. Has anybody else come across that? And the feedback is you'll get an answer today.
Well, tell me about this conference you put on every year. Several times a year.
Several times. Well, it's once a year per city.
What's the name of the conference?
It is the eMetrics Marketing Optimization Summit. It is how do I optimize, how do I get more return on investment out of my marketing spend? How do I optimize my marketing informed by what we've learned by measuring the website? So how I measure marketing regularly has been, did sales go up? Did I get more leads? On the web, it's a lot more subtle. When I put a banner ad out or I do search marketing, what is the behavior on the website from the people who come in? Are they more valuable leads? Are they likely to become more loyal customers? Well, now I'm able to measure all of my marketing.
It's a great conference. I've been to it. I remember you had it in a hotel in Santa Barbara where they had, in the men's restroom, instead of paper towels, they had a pile of linens or something you'd wipe your hands with. I don't think it's quite that sophisticated restrooms in your current venues, but it's a wonderful conference. I've been. I highly recommend it.
If you remember nothing else about the eMetrics Marketing Optimization Summit, the men's room.
This is Ralph Wilson with Web Marketing Today.